As we move forward in our learning, I'm going to ask that you please keep some form of learning journal. I use a traditional paper pen kind of thing because that works with me. If you prefer to jot things down in a tablet or on your phone, or you like to make voice memos, the main thing we want to do as a learning tool is to have that learning journal so that you're recording all of your thoughts and ideas. What you're going to see is as we move together and we challenge and expand your thinking, you're going to have things that occur to you and you're going to think, wow, that would be cool, or I can use that. That's a cool idea. You want to make sure you capture that, because the process of setting up and running the making of a feature film is going to distract you a lot from some of the learning you've already done. So if you have a way like a learning journal to record it, you're going to be golden. All right, so get that learning journal in whatever form it's in for you, whatever works: paper, pen, tablet, voice memos, what have you, and start getting the process of recording ideas. Every chance you think of something, write it down. Sound good? Okay.